بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
You are one of the kindest souls I've ever known. To the world, you are my baby sister, but to me, you were everything. We will continue to fight till you get justice. The world is with you. Thank you for giving women around the world a voice against violence.
She was a great friend, and we all loved her very much. I get nightmares at night because of what happened to her. When I close my eyes, I see Noor's face. And the problem is not Noor went out late, what was Noor wearing? That has nothing to do with it. The problem is there's this boy who was exiled from a country, the UK, because he assaulted a girl over there. And we still allowed him to come into Pakistan to do whatever he wants without consequence just because his family is rich. So I'm not going to rest. I'm not going to give up. Even if all of my hair is gray, I will still be yelling, justice for Noor.
If you know friends or family members that are abusive in any manner, whether it's verbal, physical, or anything, it's your job to also speak up. It's our job to speak up and not let these men get away with any of these issues.
The state has to go after the culprit also.
The amount of time they are taking, it is ridiculous, it makes absolutely no sense, and all we request is the Prime Minister to make a decision as soon as possible.
Justice delayed is justice denied. And for Noor, we're not going to let this happen.
One thing that we should take away from this, that we'll tell our friends how to respect them.